What's up? My name is Darren Wong and I represent the Kinjas, and welcome to my beginner breaking class where I teach you all the basic moves, steps, and techniques you need to know in order to break. So today's footwork move we're going to work on is called the 3-step. Before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dance skills to the next level and have private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box and you apply today so we can work together. Alright, so for today's video, you will need to understand how to do a basic weight change and also a front sweep. So if you don't know how to do that, be sure to check out my previous videos I did on that before coming to this one. Alright, so like most steps, 3 steps, 4 steps, 6 steps, it's all really just a pattern of how you do it. So for this one, this is the most basic 3-step pattern that most people do, but again, you can always switch it up and do different types of 3-step patterns. So for this one, I'm going to start with my left leg. So I'm going to start with my left leg out. From here, I'm just going to do a weight change, so I'm just switching my feet, and then from here I'm going to do a front sweep, and just to kind of control this, I'm always going to sweep to the sides, and my footwork in the weight changes will always be to the front or the back. Okay, so from here I'll sweep here and now to the side. Okay, so that's your basic 3-step pattern. So I'm going to the left, so let's go left foot, right foot, and we go to the side, front sweep. Now I'm going to turn around just to create a circular motion. So now my weight change is going to happen back here to the back. So I'm going left, and I switch my weight right, and I'm gonna sweep, and again pointing to the sides. So the sides. So if I keep going around, this is front, weight change, side, back, weight change, side. So one more time, front and side, back and side. So now if I want to switch this, all I need to do is switch my legs. Okay, so now my first leg is gonna be my right leg. So I go right leg front. Now I'm gonna weight change, left leg comes out, and again, only to just control it. You don't have to necessarily do it like this. I'm just controlling it to the side, and I front sweep my left over here. So now again, I can go to the back. So right, switch left, going to this side, side. So I'm going right, left, side, back, and side. Alright, so now let's try to put this together with counts. So for me, when I do my 3 steps, I like to hit 1 and 2 because it really accents the snare and it really follows the music very well. So for this one, we'll do an 8 count going counterclockwise, and then we'll reverse it and come back the other way. Okay, so 8 count each way. So starting on the left, so 6, 7, 8. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and other way. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Alright, so before we jump into the music, go ahead and do me a favor, like this video, also subscribe to my channel right now, and also hit the bell so you're always notified when I drop tutorials just like this. Alright, so key takeaways for this one. Again, we are just doing our basic weight change and also a front sweep, and not even doing a full front sweep, but we're also just cutting it off to the quarters, or you could go all the way around if you really want to make your 3-step look bigger. Second thing is, this is just a basic 3-step pattern. Again, you could create many different 3 steps. It's just a pattern of how many steps you're doing and what pattern you're doing with that. Alright, so I'd love to see you practicing and training this movement, so go ahead and post up a video. Make sure you tag it at Darren R. Wong, and I'll be sure to give you props, shoutouts, and good things like that. Alright, so again, make sure you like this video, subscribe if you haven't yet, and also leave a comment below. Tell me what you liked about it, what you learned from it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!